Today I'm excited to share a short photo walk taken with an old classic, with the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 lens, which was released over 30 years ago. For the next 2 minutes, you'll see the photo walk unfold, and at the end of this clip, I will tell you 4 things that I really like about this lens, but also 3 things that I don't like. Let's begin. Here's what I like about this lens. Firstly, it's a very versatile lens that can be used in almost any situation. As evident from our photo walk, it's well suited for landscapes, street photography, and certainly it does a fine job with portraits. The 50mm focal length is ideal and it's not too wide nor too zoomed in, thus offering minimum distortions and a pleasing natural perspective. However, this is true when the lens is mounted on a full-frame camera. If used with an APS-C sensor camera, the image appears zoomed in to around 80mm due to the crop factor, which might not be practical in tight spaces. The second thing that I appreciate is its quick focusing speed, even better than the STM version. Even though it was released by Canon in 1990, I didn't encounter any focusing issues. The focusing motor is loud, as you will notice here. And occasionally it tends to focus hunt. But at least in broad daylight it was fast and accurate, no issues. The third aspect that I like is the wide maximum aperture of f1.8 that, of course, provides a shallow depth of field. Now, the standout feature and the fourth thing that I like about this lens is its sharpness. The image captured by this lens is clear in the middle at f2.8, and in the corners already it looks decent at f4 and looks excellent at f5.6. Now, here are the 3 things that I didn't like about this lens. First one, build quality. The lens feels somewhat cheap as it's entirely covered in plastic. The second issue is its minimum focusing distance. I wish it was closer than 45 centimeters for those close-up shots. And the third problem that I've noticed, poor performance in bright light conditions, resulting in loss of contrast. Nevertheless, it was truly delightful to go on a photo walk with such a classic. I am curious, have you ever tried this old Canon lens? If you did, please write in the comment section. What's your opinion about it? If you like this video, consider subscribing and see you on the next one, guys. Take care.